How to create multiple Instagram accounts. Here's how. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your screen. Now go to your Instagram profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner. Likewise, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu. At this point, click on the Add Account to proceed. A menu will appear. Just choose Create New Account to start setting up another profile. Next, type a unique username and hit Next. Furthermore, set a strong password for your new account. If you are using your private device, click on Remember Password. This will help you log in faster next time. Furthermore, hit Next. Finally, hit Complete Sign Up to finish creating your additional account. And that's all. I hope this video helped.